Hola amigos, buenos dias, TerryTracker channel. Hold on, what was that? Anywho, it's our last day before travelling back home, so we're gonna have a quick mooch around, try and get a hat for Tristan, and then head to La Epuerta, and yeah, flying home later tonight. Never mind. We've come to the Aberdeen Steakhouse, and there's a sign out there for a bar I want to visit next. I'm not sure about Emma.
Boobies.
It's what?
Boobies.
Not looking forward to that later on. Sangria time. So we've got our T-bone to share between us, and as you can see we've got a bit of a barbecue to cook it on. So yes, it looks pretty raw in there because it is, but then you recook it on the barbecue. That was the best meal I've had on the island, and it's the last meal I'm having on the island. Because I want to head up towards the hotel in a few hours' time. We're getting picked up by a taxi to go to the airport.
To go back home.
Not good, is it, Ellie? But anyways, how good was that? You get the steak, and it's just seared on the outside, and they fetch you a traditional barbecue for you to sit and cook it yourself. I know that sounds daft because you're in a restaurant, but oh, what an experience. What a steak. And it was only €39.50 between two, and you get a big jug of sangria, you get chips, and you get veg with it as well. Fantastic. Absolutely typical. It's a bloody lovely day on the day that we're going home. Huh? What about that? Why can't it rain when you go home? Makes it feel better leaving. Well, we're kind of in a bit of a rush, that's why I'm puffing and panting. The taxi journey that normally takes 12 minutes took over 2 hours because of an accident. Not an accident with us, an accident was on the road. We made the check-in within 10 minutes, but then the guy spoke for so long, the check-in actually closed whilst we were there, but we got through. And now we're trying to rush to get the airplane because the airplane takes off in like half an hour. So they're going to be closing the gate, the door, any second now. So after running through the airport, after being told the gate was going to close, the door of the airplane was going to close, delayed. I'm bloody sweating. Never had a chance to stop at the duty free either. So we got the right plane. Well, that was slightly awkward. When I got on board the plane, the air stewardess went, "Yeah, I know you. I took you to Florida." Yeah. Then she gave me a big cuddle and says, "Welcome back." Oh well. Hey, would you look at that? Managed to buy myself a curry for the way home. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Well, chicken tikka. There you have it, we're back in Newcastle, and I have to say that was the best flight crew we've ever had. It was so funny. We had a laugh with them. But Natalie, happy birthday. Says I know you watch. Anywho, through security and try and get a taxi. Tell you what folks, waiting for the taxi. Can you see what the temperature says? -1 degrees outside. Well, there you go folks, that's the Tenerife adventure done. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.